is a bonus video with bonus material if you're a grade 12 doing the 2026 EGD Civil PAT. This is the How to EGD Pace Setter that's going to help you absolutely nail your PAT. Now this Pace Setter is part of the How to Hack Your PAT series where I teach grade 12s how to get every possible mark and conduct a PAT with integrity, their own work, but not missing one mark that is available. And this Pace Setter is designed to do just that. If you zoom in and look at this Pace Setter, what it has that no one else does is paired to the actual components, you've got a checklist here that corresponds with the actual checklist that was given to you in the PAT document. So you can see here, design brief has got 1.1 to 1.5, and this checklist refers to the ones that is important in line with the design brief, the management plan, the research, etc. Added onto this, you've got an indication of the pages, the type of page and the number of pages that's needed in order to complete these requirements. So for instance, your research, that's 2.1 to 2.3. There's 3 parts to this research, and each one of them needs one A3 page per topic. And then there's a due date in the next column with the opportunity to add in your actual date in the end. So going through this document, there's no reason for you not to meet your different deadlines as you start working throughout this PAT. Please download this and use it as a resource to help you pace yourself as you also successfully navigate your EGD PAT. Thank you for watching. All the best. Draw with confidence.